Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and maybe replace the headlights on Seat Leon. In order to remove the headlights, first we need to remove the front bumper. To remove the front bumper, there is a couple of bolts holding it on the sides where the wheel arch liner is. There is one bolt located right there and a couple bolts on the wheel arch liner, which are this one, and one down there. And it's the same on the other side, one on top and then a couple of bolts going down. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to remove the bolts holding the bumper on the bottom. These are the bolts holding the bumper on the bottom. Next we're going to remove the bolts holding the bumper on top. The bolts are right there. Now that we've removed all the bolts holding the front bumper, we're just going to pull out the bumper. Now that the bumper is off, there is a couple of electrical connectors that we need to disconnect and then take out the bumper. And that's the front bumper removed. Now we have access to the headlights. The headlights are held by a couple of bolts, that's one of them. Another one is right there, and one of them is underneath, which is right there. We remove the 3 bolts, then we disconnect the electrical connector, and then we can pull out the headlight. The same is on the other side. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.